Hi students, today we are going to discuss about factorization, 8th class 12th chapter. First we learn the basics of factorization. What are factors? Let us take a number as 42. Can you write this number in the product of any two numbers? 42 equal 142 ja 42, 221 ja 42, 314 ja 42, 6 7 ja 42, 7 6 ja 42, 14 3 ja 42, 21 2 ja 42, 42 1 ja 42. Anyways, so all these are factors of 42. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42 are factors of 42. So, can you write this 42 in the product of prime numbers? 42 equal 6 7 ja 42. 6 is composite number, 7 is the prime number. More than two factors is called as composite number. 6 can be written as 2 3 ja 6 into 7. 2 is the prime number, 3 is also prime number. 2, 3, 7 are prime numbers. 2, 3, 7 are prime numbers. These 2, 3, 7 are factors of 42. 2 into 3 into 7 is known as the product of prime factors. Next, factors of algebraic expression. For example, 7yz. This is an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression having one term is called as monomial. Factors of 7yz equal 1 into 7yz, 7 into yz, 7y into z, 7z into y, and 7 into y into z. So, all these are factors of 7yz. So, here 1, 7, y, z, yz, 7y, 7z, and 7yz are factors of 7yz. So, 1 is the factor of 7yz. In fact, 1 is the factor of every term, but unless required, 1 need not be So separately. Next, need of factorization. For example, 4x square minus 1 by 2x minus 1. How can we solve this? Solution: 4x square minus 1 can be written as 2x whole square minus 1 square. 2x whole square equal 4x square minus 1 square equal 1. We know that a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. Here a equal 2x, b equal 1. A square 2x whole square minus b square 1 square equal a equal 2x plus b equal 1 into a equal 2x minus b equal 1 by 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 cancel equal 2x plus 1. So we have 2x plus 1. 4x square minus 1 by 2x minus 1 equal 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is the simplest form of 4x square minus 1 by 2x minus 1. So, need of factorization is the factorization is helped to an algebraic expression. In simplest form. Next, method of common factors. What is the common factor method? For example, let us factorize 3a plus 12. Solution. Then write the factors of this. 3a plus 12. 3a means 3 into a plus 12 means 2 into 3. 3 into a, 3a plus 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. What is the common factor of both terms? Common factor 3 into we get a plus 2 into 2 equal 3 into a plus 2 2 is 4 equal 3 of a plus 4. 3 into a, 3a plus 3 4 is 12. Therefore, 3a plus 12 equal 3 of a plus 4. So here 3 and a plus 4 are the common factors of 3a plus 12. Another example, let us factorize 6ab plus 12b. Solution: 6ab plus 12b equal 6ab means 2 into 3 into a into b. 4 3 is 12. 12 into b, 12b. What is the common factor of both terms? 2, 3, b equal 2 into 3 into b into we get a plus 2 equal 2 3 is 6. 6 into b, 6b into a plus 2 equal 6b of a plus 2. Therefore, 6ab plus 12b equal 6b of a plus 2. So here 6b and a plus 2 are the common factors of 6ab